Folks, if you have recently upgraded your Windows, then you have 10 days to roll back to the previous version. And to roll back, you must have the Windows.old folder in your C drive. I'm going to show you how many days you've got left, how to check the remaining days, and how to extend them. You can extend the rollback period up to a maximum of 60 days. You will find all the commands in the description. Open command prompt and run it as administrator. After typing the on-screen command and pressing enter, it will show you the remaining number of days. In my case, it showed 10 days left. If you don't have the Windows.old folder, you'll get an error message. That means you can't roll back. Now, I'll show you how to extend the days. Just type this on-screen command in command prompt and press enter. The value 60 means it will extend the rollback period to 60 days, that's the maximum. You can also set it to any number of days up to 60. It will say the operation completed successfully. Let's verify that. Copy and paste the rollback check command again. Press enter, and you'll see it now shows 60 days. So that's it, now you have 60 days to roll back. Make sure you do have the Windows.old folder. If you deleted it, you cannot go back. That's very important for rolling back. You can also go into Settings System Recovery where you'll have the option to roll back. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.